I was just sent this portable personal sauna and I am so excited to jump in it and get a little sweat session on, blow off some steam, if you will. And now I'm gonna show you the inside, so come with me. This is the inside view, so it has this nice PVC pipe. Easy to set up. My husband set it up for me. It comes with a little chair, which I think is so perfect. So you can hang out, and then there's the bottom component. Also, you get this little mat so that when you sweat, it's all gonna land there. And then you even have a place here to put the little remote that comes with everything, or maybe a magazine or something like that. Okay, now let's go over to the water area. So I have it plugged in. I filled up the water. This is a really big tank, so you can put a lot of water in it. And now let's put the top on. Okay, the top is securely on. We're gonna start by turning this on. That's our time, that's our gear, and everything is ready to now just start heating up. If you want it to be lower, you can set it there. The time you can also change here as well. And now it just starts working. So I'm gonna make sure I zip everything up so we can get nice and steamy. You can hear and see it's starting to get steamier. It's been 7 minutes, but inside, no steam yet. So it does take a while to heat up. It's go time, it's nice and steamy. It's been about like 10-15 minutes. It's good steam there. I brought a magazine to go read inside. Plus you're gonna get your little remote here, so I have that on the chair. And I'm bringing in some essential oil too. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Whew. Like, I'm so sweaty. Okay, I was only in there like a few minutes and I'm totally sweaty. I love this. This is so great. It does feel a little small when you first enter, but the minute you sit down, it doesn't feel that bad. So I do recommend sitting, just bring a magazine in. It gets a little like soggy, but it's okay. Oh, and it feels so good out here now. You are going to love this.